Let's talk about mail merge. So I'm going to show you how you can use mail merge in creating your certificates for the class, bulk certificates that you can provide to your students. Say for example, upon completion. So here we have a certificate of completion, and we will be replacing this name here with the name of your students. So let's start. Let's go to mailings and then start mail merge. Okay, the closest we can pick here for certificate would be letters, and then go to select recipients. You can either type a new list or use an existing list. So I have prepared a separate list for this using Excel. So use an existing list. Go to documents where I saved it. So I actually named it as diploma and then open. Okay, so this would be okay. So if you have used headers in your Excel, then make sure that you have checked this one here. First row of data contains column headers. So click on OK. Let me show you the existing file that I have selected. This one here, I have prepared this in Excel before starting the mail merge, but if you have not prepared any recipient list, you can go to select recipients and click on type a new list. So you can do your encoding here. Or you can also go to edit recipient list and see the data of your file here. So you can select which names are you going to remove from your list. So you can also click on the name. You can sort it in ascending or descending. Okay, so I will click OK. So now let's go to the merge field and insert what we need here. So say we need the name. Click on the name and then preview results. Okay. So we can go to these arrows here to check on the other certificates if all the names are already in it. Okay. So see that the names are actually changing. Okay, so I have already certificates of 6 students here. Now let's go to finish and merge. So on this part here, arrow down, let's click on edit individual documents so that we can check individually the certificate and at the same time check for errors before printing it. So let's click on edit individual documents. We want all of it, so press or click OK. So now we can see it all here. Okay. View, it's on vertical. Okay. Let's just enlarge it a little bit. Okay. So we can now see the individual certificates. Now, if you're satisfied with your work, you click on the save so that you can save it on your computer. So certificate of completion, let's say, for printing. Okay. And then save. So it's now saved. So this is how you make use of the mail merge in creating your bulk certificates. Let's have another example of creating bulk certificates using the mail merge. So these certificates can be given to your students every quarter, after the end of every quarter, or even at the end of the school year. So say we have this certificate of academic excellence here, and we want to insert the name, subject, and final grade of the student. So what do we do first is to go to mailings, then start mail merge, letters, then select recipient list, use an existing list. I'll be using the same list that I have used a while back, so diploma. Okay, click on OK. So now if we go to edit recipient list, we can see it all here. You can edit this list by using the checkboxes here to add or remove recipients from the merge. So click on OK. So now we are ready to insert the merge field. So let's highlight the name, go to insert merge field, click on name. Okay. So we will just edit this a little. Okay. By the way, let me show you the existing file. This one is the file that I have used for the mail merge. Now for the subject, let's highlight it again. Go to insert merge field, click on subject, and then for the final grade, go back again to insert merge field, then click on the final grade. Okay. Now we can go to preview results. Click on that. So you have now the name Seth Dumala, the subject is science, and the final grade is 96. So let's look at the other certificates. Okay. So we have 6 certificates here. Okay. So now if we're ready, we go to finish and merge, edit individual documents so that we can see all of the certificates in one file. So click on all. Okay. So now we can see all the 6 certificates in one Word document. So this is now ready for printing, but make sure you save it. Okay. So let's just add here for printing for the file name and then save. So again, this is merging using the mail merge in your certificates.